earlier in the stream, we basically mentioned that right now we're in extreme greed, right? According to the Fear and Greed Index, we're in extreme greed over 80% out of 100. And as we mentioned before, you want to be fearful when others are greedy. And right now, if people are greedy, people are chasing the pump of the week. People want DeFi this, DeFi that. I mean, fundamentals have gone completely out the window, right? So I find it very interesting that our AI model is able to pretty much look at all the coins we have in our system and pick up on that. Lots of coins have basically been going up too much. There's too much FOMO. Time to take profits, lock in the profits. I mean, quite frankly, seeing how well it's performed. So for those who don't know, our indices, let me see if I can pull them up here. The price prediction index, which looks purely at price, nothing else, right, has been the best performing index thus far. Right, so here's the index, right? So this is the index versus Bitcoin in the last month, right? So it began up over 330%, and now it's up over 500%, right? And the question the person was asking is, half of the portfolio is in stablecoins, right? Now, the reason why it's in 5 as opposed to 1 is because we have it where the index will only hold about 10% in each coin, right? So basically, we give the index 10 coins, and it weights them based on the grade. But in this case, for the price prediction index, it's actually based on the price prediction, right? So it's basically picking 5 altcoins that it's very bullish on. So we run models on all the different altcoins for price prediction, looking purely at price, not fundamentals, not TA, just purely at price and past pricing data, and try to predict in the next 30 days where the price is going. And then we pick the top 10 coins with the highest price prediction. So when it picked the top 10, 5 of those were stable coins. So it's telling us, I mean, that we should expect a pretty big correction. Now, I mean, it's not perfect. It could be wrong, right? This is just one tool. This should not be everything. Don't go out there and just blindly follow everything, right? I know some people, what they do is they have different indexes they basically invest in or follow. But I mean, it's basically saying we should be cautious, right? And I think with the extreme greed out there in the market, it does make sense to take some profits, right? Because the price prediction index is for traders, people who are trading monthly, right? So it's not really for the hodlers. If you're hodling for 1 year or longer, the price prediction index is not really for you because there's too much active portfolio management. Bill, anything to add to that?
Sure. So there's a Wall Street saying cash is king. Okay. In crypto, that would be stable coins. So those models are telling you that, don't get caught up as a trader in trying to catch the falling knife or get chopped up as the market kind of goes up, down, or just down, right? In other words, bull markets need shakeouts. And that's what's going on right now. When you have a $2,000 range in Bitcoin in one day, that's a shakeout. So the AI is picking up on the fact that there just aren't a lot of coins that look like they're going to moon. So it just sits. And that's a powerful signal, as you said. And I think the only thing to add is that, if you want to take advantage of a big bull market, when it corrects, you want to keep your head clear. And the toughest thing in crypto to do is to do nothing, right? Sometimes that's what's required. Let them shake it out. Let them shake people to where they get a little bit scared. And then frequently in bull markets, you have to buy it when it looks the worst. Well, the AI is telling you that, doesn't quite look bad enough yet. It's still in wait and see mode.
Yeah, well said. And to also add on to that, you also want to have dry powder to buy the dip, right? So the AI in a way is saying, let's keep half of our portfolio in stable coins so that when the corrections come and then we have more altcoins that could possibly recover and bounce back, we have lots of capital on the sidelines to buy the dip, right? So, I mean, it's definitely counterintuitive if you've been chasing the pump of the week, right? But I think that's why we have the AI to kind of help take out the emotion in trading and investing, right? So I think it definitely will help our customers kind of have have better foresight in terms of where things are going and not really be too into the emotions of trading and investing. All right, tell us what you think. Do you think it makes sense to have half of the portfolio in stablecoins this month, or do you think crypto will just keep on pumping? I mean, we're definitely open to different takes. Tell us what you think down in the comments below.